Hey parents and caregivers! Are you looking for the safest, most reliable car seat for your little one? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the top 5 child car seats of 2025 that are absolute game changers. From advanced safety features to ultra-comfortable designs, these car seats are a must-have for every family. But here's the twist, some of these might completely surprise you. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which car seat is perfect for your child. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Graco Forever DLX 4-in-1. While a convertible car seat will last a few years, an all-in-one might be the only child car seat you'll ever need. The Graco Forever DLX is one of the most popular on the market and it consistently shows up on GH's annual list of the best car seats. The GHI found that the Forever DLX transitions from a rear-facing car seat to a forward-facing car seat to a high-back booster to a backless booster, allowing your child to fully utilize the 10-year lifespan of the product. Our experts love that it installs easily with latch and is highly adjustable with a 10-position headrest, 6-position recline, and a no-rethread harness. It also comes with 2 cup holders and machine-washable seat pads. Number 2. Chicco KeyFit 35. In years past, Good Housekeeping's testing lab picked the Chicco KeyFit 30 as the best infant car seat, and the new KeyFit 35 maintains Chicco's hold on that award. The difference is a new integrated anti-rebound bar. This addition enhances stability and provides additional legroom for your growing baby. The Institute noted that the cinch latch system makes installation effortless, and using the bubble level indicators ensures a perfect angle every time. Testers especially appreciate the large, extendable canopy with a mesh privacy panel and the GreenGuard Gold certified fabric, which minimizes chemical emissions and your child's exposure to toxic chemicals. Number 3. UPPAbaby Mesa Max. If you're looking for a premium infant seat, UPPA Mesa should be your first stop. If you've been shopping around for your new baby, you've probably seen UPPA products pop up. They're stylish, comfortable, and grow with your family, but they're also pretty darn expensive. However, some of its features justify the price. It has a built-in leveling guide, which shifts from red to green when the seat is properly aligned. The Mesa Max is also lightweight, and its no-rethread harness for hassle-free adjustments makes it pretty intuitive, according to GHI testers and engineers. All UPPA products are designed to work seamlessly with one another, meaning you can easily swap the seat from the base to the Vista V2 and Cruise strollers. UPPA also offers adapters for some other strollers but not all, so buyer beware. Number 4. Baby Jogger City Turn. A new trend in car seats is the introduction of rotating models. These seats allow you to swivel the seat and child toward the car door, making it much easier to fiddle with the harness during load-in and load-out. Of course, after the child is secured, you rotate the seat back. The Good Housekeeping Institute found the Baby Jogger City Turn to be an excellent choice within this category. They liked the hefty padding, which made it obviously comfortable. It should be noted that this model's swivel function only works in the rear-facing mode, and the seat does not convert into a booster. Another thing to note is the swivel base does make this seat fairly large, so it may not be the best fit for sedan or compact car owners. Number 5. Doona Infant Car Seat and Latch Base. The Doona car seat and stroller has a clever design. It transitions from a rear-facing car seat to a complete stroller in seconds. GH said of the Doona, this car seat and stroller combo is a single piece. It expands and retracts quickly and can easily be fitted into the car seat latch base without disturbing your little one. Our reviewers were impressed with its all-in-one design and safety features. And that's a wrap, the top 5 child car seats of 2025 that are totally worth your money. Which one are you getting for your little one? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow parents, and subscribe for more epic reviews like this. Oh, and remember, all the product links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, Drive safe and keep your little ones secure.